Welcome to the clinsoft Placement Document Management tutorial for students. In this video, we'll walk you through the steps to manage your placement documents in clinsoft. Start by logging into your clinsoft account. On the navigation bar, you'll see a tab labeled My Documents. Click on it to access the My Documents page. On this page, you'll find your course listed, with different placements organized under it. Each placement contains the placement documents you're required to upload. For example, you might need to upload documents such as immunization history, police checks, and other required files. Let's upload an immunization history document as an example. Click on the Upload button, select the file from your device, and upload it. Then, enter the expiry date of the document. If the expiry date is within 2 weeks, you won't be able to upload the file. Once uploaded, the document will appear in all placements requiring immunization history, whether under the same or different courses. However, note that verification by the Institute staff will be done placement-wise. After uploading a document, check the table below. Look for the Immunization History row. In the Status column, you'll see Awaiting Approval. The table will also display the uploaded date and the expiry date. If you want to delete and re-upload a document, click on the Delete button. However, once the document is approved, you won't be able to delete or replace it. To view a document, simply click on the View button. And that's it. This is how you can manage placement documents using clinsoft. Thank you for watching and happy learning!